I've got a new gig, which is GoPro 11. Since I got a new gadget, I'm gonna film the vlog. In today's vlog is about a night walk view in Kobe. Hope you enjoy the great scenery. This is in front of JR Sannomiya station. Recently, around this area has renewal. Some kind of shops are open, and also some food booths are installed. Today I'm going to visit two places, which is Kobe Luminarie, the memorial illumination area, and also the Chinatown to see the Lantern Festival. This is one of the illumination lights called Cassa Harmonica. When I walk and film the light with GoPro, I think the light looks very blurry and difficult to see. For the night time, I guess not good use for the GoPro. Kobe Luminarie, the scale this time is reduced because of the COVID-19. Reason why this event is held in because of to remember the huge earthquake hit around the Kobe area in 1995, which is 27 years ago.
神戸ルミナリエ継続開催の一部となるサンノミカ音楽の宝箱開催記念グッズを今日から18日の10日間東遊園地内の特設ブースで販売しています。また神戸ルミナリエのホーム
I came to the port area of the Kobe. In this building has many restaurants and art aquarium called Atoa is located, which I went last time and made a video for this. This place is just right next to the Atoa. From here you get to see the old illumination coming out from the Kobe port. This is a view from my iPhone SE second model. I think light looks very clear compared with GoPro. I come to the Meriken Park, and this is a famous restaurant called Tooth Tooth. I found some interesting graffiti here. That's a big Kobe monument. It is a very popular photo spot. Behind the many dot light blue lights up building is Oriental Hotel. It is a landmark hotel of Kobe. Because this area is a port of Kobe, you get to see many ships stopping. That's the Kobe Port Tower. Right now it is under construction, so at the moment it is used as a projection mapping area.
販売しています。また神戸ルミナリエのホーム